Q&A, is that what we're calling it?
Q&A,
Today's
yeah, a little
Q&A?
Q&A after clinic, yeah.
Yeah, after clinic. Okay, welcome to Dreams Plastic Surgery. So we have some Q&A with Dr. Kalsow today after our clinic day. So, first question that we get asked all the time. Can all plastic surgeons perform all plastic surgery?
So if they're trained in a certain field, they can, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they perform those procedures a lot. Usually plastic surgeons specialize a little bit in a few procedures that they do. So for example, I was trained in cosmetics and in reconstruction. I can do reconstruction, I can fix lacerations, I can theoretically do bigger surgeries, but I right now focus on cosmetics. The cosmetic procedures is what I do all day, every day, so I can do it, but doesn't necessarily mean that I will or want to do it.
Okay, can you list a few things that you do?
Yes, so I do a lot of liposuction, tummy tucks, myo makeovers, facelifts, rhinoplasties, blepharoplasties, brow lifts.
Ear tuck.
Ear tucks, not a lot of ear tucks, but I do ear tucks. I do some breast augmentations, breast lifts, breast reductions. So kind of the cosmetic side of it, that's what I focus on.
Okay, now next question. Are all results of a plastic surgeon permanent?
No, I would say semi-permanent. They last for a long time, but with time, the time always wins. The gravity always wins if you're getting the breast lift, they're gonna sag with time again, so no. So if you have liposuction and you get pregnant, then the fat will come back, and then you might wanna get liposuction again. So that's why you might want to wait to do tummy tucks, liposuction until after you have kids.
Are all plastic surgeries unnatural?
No, so two things. One is the more change you want to see, the more unnatural it will look. If you're getting small implants, you're gonna barely see them. It's gonna look natural, right? You wanna look natural, don't get anything done. If you want 700cc implants, right? You put those in, you push them in there, you're gonna go like this, right? It's not gonna look natural, so it's a spectrum. Also, right after the surgery, there's a recovery period where everything's swollen, so it doesn't look natural. You get a facelift with some fat transfer, you look like a cat, you walk around, people think you overdid it, but no, that's just the first week after the surgery. Not all plastic surgeries look natural all the time. At first, they don't, and then they do.
Okay.
And the more change you want to see, the less natural they look.
Oh, this is a funny one, you have to answer this. Somebody asks, is plastic surgery only for the rich?
I can't afford it.
Are all plastic surgery procedures quick in recovery?
No, so the larger change you want to see, the larger the procedure you get. The longer the procedure, the more combination of procedures you get, the longer the recovery. For example, if you get a tummy tuck, it's a 2-week recovery. If you get liposuction, it's a 1-week recovery, something like that. Also, there's no such thing as scarless surgery. If you're having a procedure done, you're gonna have a scar.
Absolutely.
And that scar takes a long time to heal and to fade.
For a woman that's looking for a facelift, is there any time, a good time for a woman to get it done, like within age group?
Well, first I kind of have a ballpark figure. If somebody is, 25 and on a facelift, I'm gonna say no matter what. If somebody's in their late 30s, let's say, or mid 30s, and they want a facelift, and I can see that I'm gonna make a difference with a facelift, so I go and I lift this way, and then from here to here, I can see a good change. I let them know about the scars, and if they're okay with all of that, then yes, they're okay to have a facelift, even though they're on the younger side, because they'll see a difference.
Okay.
If I go like this and you lift up your face with your hands and you see a good difference, then yes, you can get it done. If you do not see a difference when you go like this, then you shouldn't get it done, because you're not gonna see a difference, you'll just end up with scars. There's a few things that you could do to the face that do not involve a facelift to make somebody look younger.
Okay, and you like doing that? Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's everything.